Hello friends, Miss Tweetie here, and today we are going to sing a song about spring because it's all about the outdoors today here for Music Kids at Home. So do you have any scarves around your house? They can be any bright colors, or towels work too, or even dishcloths. See what you can find. We're going to start singing about the trees with the first verse. So what color would be great for trees, I wonder? Green. Yeah, I think green is a great color. So I'm going to take two scarves and I'm going to make myself look like a big tree with my branchy arms out like this, and I'm going to sing. Leaves are growing on the trees, on the trees, on the trees. Leaves are growing on the trees. It is springtime. Leaves are growing on the trees, on the trees, on the trees. Leaves are growing on the trees. It is springtime. Now we have a verse about birdies. What would be a good color for a birdie, I wonder? Maybe blue. I like blue jays, and robins have blue on them too. Let's do blue. Birdies start to build their nests, build their nests, build their nests. Birdies start to build their nests. It is springtime. Birdies start to build their nests, build their nests, build their nests. Birdies start to build their nests. It is springtime. And how about flowers? What would be good colors for flowers? I think we could use lots of different colors. I have pink, and I have yellow, and I have purple, and I have red, and I think even some more blue would work well for flowers. So let's pretend our flowers are down in our garden and we're going to make them grow. All the flowers start to grow, start to grow, start to grow. All the flowers start to grow. It is springtime. All the flowers start to grow, start to grow, start to grow. All the flowers start to grow. It is springtime. And you know what else happens in the springtime? The baby birds learn to fly. So I'm going to bring my blue scarves back again, and you can stand up and run around and fly in your house like this if you like, or you can just sit with me. Baby birdies learn to fly, learn to fly, learn to fly. Baby birdies learn to fly. It is springtime. Baby birdies learn to fly, learn to fly, learn to fly. Baby birdies learn to fly. It is springtime. Now what about the grass? The grass is turning green too. So I'm going to find green scarves again. And here's what we're going to do. We're going to take our green scarves and see if we can flatten them out. All the grass is turning green, turning green, turning green. All the grass is turning green. It is springtime. All the grass is turning green, turning green, turning green. All the grass is turning green. It is springtime. Thank you for joining me. Bye-bye. Hello, friends. Miss Tweetie here. And I'm excited to tell you about some new things we are creating to go with our Music Kids at Home newsletters. First of all, we have instruments that you can order. We took all of our favorite classroom instruments that you can see behind me, and we found different combinations and different kits you can order for different prices. All you have to do is click on the link below or go to ChinookSchoolofMusic.com/musickids to find more information. We are also, in the next week or two, going to start live streaming our classes with memberships that you can purchase if you like. More information will be coming there on the link below as well, or at ChinookSchoolofMusic.com. Have a great day.